Okay, we've done a bit of work here. The liner, the ute liner, whatever it's called, tub liner's in. Done a bit of work on the inside. Put this mat there. Oh, that's just a bit of stupid anyway, don't worry about that. Definitely needed a ram holder. Obviously now that we've decided we're going to take this car on the Beyond Blue charity rally, new gear knob and steering wheel cover, otherwise the wife wouldn't drive it. Still got a bit of work to do in the back. Taken off the bull bar. Going to fix the lights on it, they weren't working, and need to recable all this stuff here as well. It's a bit of a mess, so this side's somewhat done, and then I'll put the bull bar on, connect those lights, and then the two spotties at the front there, and yeah, on to stage 2.